Hello from Cherries! As promised in our last video, we have another mockup tool trick for you, this time in Adobe Illustrator. If you have missed the previous video, click on the link at the top right of this video now. I personally think tattoos are so cool. So let's see how we can add a realistic tattoo to a body using Adobe Illustrator in this step-by-step tutorial. Here we will discover how to use the powerful Create Mockup tool to seamlessly blend tattoos on a body for a natural, professional look. Whether you're designing for a client or experimenting with your creative ideas, this easy mockup tutorial will take your Illustrator skills to the next level. Perfect for beginners and seasoned designers alike. Okay, the first step is choosing your rasterized photo of the body. Now choose your desired vector tattoo that you want to put on the body. Drag and drop the tattoo on your photo. You can resize it. To do that, hold the Shift key and resize the tattoo. Now select both your background photo and the tattoo. Right-click and under Mockup, click on Create Mockup. After processing, your tattoo is ready. Now you can move the tattoo anywhere on the body. And you can again hold the Shift key to resize the tattoo. Remains just one tiny step to make it realistic. Stick around. Meanwhile, hit like button if you're enjoying this. Subscribe for more and share the fun with your crew. Okay, for the last touch, on the Adobe Illustrator Assist menu, choose your preferred blending mode. For now, I choose Hard Light to make it more realistic. That's it. Enjoy! See you soon in the next video.